Alright, so I think that this is my last package of my ERTLs. I think this is Lady. And that's one of my favorites that I ordered, so let's get into it, shall we? Actually, you know what?
Postman join.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, I'm postman hat.
Postman hat. Yeah, so my friend will hold the camera. I'm gonna get it like right here. Please be lady. Let's see. Please be lady. Ooh, it's two of them, which I want. Alright, Bill and Ben. So this is, Ben. Yeah. Alright, so first I will unbox these two. I'll get on to the next one.
Wait, is there more in there?
Yes, there's more. There's more in there.
Okay, can just hold the bottom?
No.
Like a nice gentleman.
No, you won't. Alright, so, here is Ben. It's beautiful. So Bill should look the same.
I like the eyes in the mouth. It's so cool.
That's cool.
It looks like heralds. Kind of.
That's Bill, Ben. Okay. So I have something else in here. This is milk tanker? Or is it lady? Alright, that's milk tanker. Okay. Cool. That means that we have one more package that we forgot. But here is cinnamon milk. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you the dates on these guys. This one, is there even a date on this? I can't even see a date. I'm sorry, I can't find a date on
Maybe
it.
it was just made last night.
It wasn't made last night. These things were like discontinued in like 2003. But yeah. My brother's messing with the box. Okay.
Oh, I like the box.
But yeah, that's cinnamon milk and Bill and Ben. So yeah, like and subscribe. And I believe we have one more box because I missed Lady, unfortunately. But alright, so like and subscribe. James5 signing out.